Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Avanti dishwasher and you need to reset it. So there's kind of two different levels of reset, and we're going to talk about both of them real quickly here. First one is like maybe you have a cycle going and you just need to get out of the cycle and get it reset so that you can start doing a new cycle. And for that, it's real easy. There's a start reset button on it, and if you just press and hold it for 3 seconds, that will clear it out, drain it, and put it in standby mode. But if you're having more serious issues, maybe it's malfunctioning, acting funny, giving you error codes or something like that, and you need to want to do a hard reset to clear everything out and get everything like started up like fresh and new. What you want to do then is you just want to make sure that your dishwasher is turned off, and then you just want to disconnect it from power completely. So unplug it from the wall, or if you can't unplug it because you can't reach it, you can turn it off at the circuit and leave that off, disconnected from power for at least a minute. And the more the merrier in terms of time that you can leave it disconnected. And then you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and it will start up in its original settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.